Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, I have something super special for those of you who want to boost your diet and improve your health in a delicious and practical way. Are you tired of eating the same old thing? Want to know how to prepare healthy meals that really make a difference in your daily life? Then you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 healthy and super easy recipes that will transform your week. From an energizing breakfast to a dessert that will leave you amazed, everything is designed to make you feel great and full of energy. So grab a pen and paper, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and let's discover these delights that will help you live better and healthier. Let's get started. Energizing breakfast. Start your day with health. Oat pancakes with fresh fruits. Ingredients: 1 cup rolled oats, 1 ripe banana, 2 eggs, a half cup almond milk or other milk of your choice, 1 teaspoon baking powder, fresh fruit strawberries, blueberries, banana, etc. Instructions: blend all ingredients in a blender until smooth. Heat a non-stick skillet and pour a portion of the batter. Cook until bubbles appear on the surface. Flip and cook the other side. Serve with fresh fruits on top. Oats, rich in fiber, which helps with digestion and keeps you full longer. They also contain important vitamins and minerals like manganese, phosphorus, and magnesium. Banana provides natural sweetness and is a good source of potassium, which is important for heart health. Eggs, high in protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth, and contain various nutrients like vitamins B12, D, and selenium. Almond milk, low in calories and a good source of vitamin E, which is an antioxidant. Fresh fruits, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that boost your immune system and overall health. Light and quick lunches for every day. Quinoa salad with vegetables and chickpeas. Ingredients: 1 cup quinoa, 1 can cooked chickpeas, drain, 1 cucumber, diced, 1 large tomato, diced, a half red onion, chopped, juice of 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, chopped parsley to taste. Instructions: cook the quinoa according to package instructions and let it cool. In a large bowl, combine the quinoa, chickpeas, cucumber, tomato, and onion. Season with lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Add the chopped parsley and mix well. Quinoa, a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids. It is also high in fiber, magnesium, and antioxidants. Chickpeas, a good source of plant-based protein and fiber, which can help with satiety and digestion. They also provide essential vitamins and minerals like folate and iron. Cucumber and tomato, low in calories and high in water content, which helps with hydration. They also provide vitamins and antioxidants. Red onion contains antioxidants and compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties. Olive oil, rich in healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, which can reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Lemon juice, high in vitamin C, which boosts the immune system and aids in iron absorption. Healthy snacks to keep your energy up. Hummus with carrot and cucumber sticks. Ingredients: 1 can cooked chickpeas, drain, 2 tablespoons tahini sesame paste, juice of 1 lemon, 2 garlic cloves, a 1/4 cup olive oil, salt to taste, carrot and cucumber sticks. Instructions: in a food processor, blend the chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, garlic, and salt. With the processor running, add the olive oil in a steady stream until smooth and creamy. Serve with carrot and cucumber sticks. Healthy snacks to keep your energy up. Hummus with carrot and cucumber sticks. Chickpeas, as mentioned earlier, they are high in protein and fiber. Tahini provides healthy fats, protein, and important minerals like calcium and iron. Garlic, known for its immune-boosting properties and can help reduce blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Carrot and cucumber, low in calories, high in fiber, and packed with vitamins and minerals. Carrots are particularly high in beta-carotene, which is good for eye health. olive oil, provides healthy fats and antioxidants. Light and nutritious dinners for a good night's sleep. Baked fish fillet with vegetables. Ingredients: 2 fish fillets, 1 zucchini, 1 carrot, 1 tomato, 2 garlic cloves, chopped, juice of 1 lemon, olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: preheat the oven to 400 F200 C. Place the fish fillets in a baking dish and arrange the vegetables around them. Season with garlic, lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Cover with aluminum foil and bake for 20 minutes. Remove the foil and bake for an additional 10 minutes. Baked fish fillet with vegetables. Fish, high in protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health and reducing inflammation. Fish also provides vitamins D and B to riboflavin. Zucchini and carrot, low in calories and high in vitamins A and C, which are important for immune function and skin health. Tomato, rich in vitamins C and K, potassium, and antioxidants like lycopene, which can help reduce the risk of heart disease and cancer. Garlic offers immune-boosting and anti-inflammatory benefits. Lemon juice adds vitamin C and enhances the flavor without added calories. Olive oil adds healthy fats that support heart health. Greek yogurt with honey and fruits. Ingredients: 2 cups plain Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons honey, a ½ cup granola, 1 cup fresh fruits. Instructions: in a bowl or dessert glass, place a layer of Greek yogurt, add a layer of chopped fresh fruits, drizzle with a tablespoon of honey, add a layer of granola, repeat the layers until the bowl or glass is filled, ending with a layer of fruits and a drizzle of honey. Serve immediately or refrigerate for up to an hour before serving. Benefits: Greek yogurt, high in protein, calcium, and probiotics, which aid in digestion and promote gut health. Honey, a natural sweetener with antioxidants and antimicrobial properties. Granola provides fiber and can be a source of healthy fats, protein, and sustained energy. Choose a low-sugar version. Fresh fruits provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants for overall health. Incorporating these 5 healthy recipes into your weekly routine offers numerous benefits for overall health and well-being. Overall benefits: balanced nutrition provides a mix of macronutrients and micronutrients, improved digestion, high fiber content promotes a healthy gut, sustained energy, combines complex carbs, proteins, and healthy fats, weight management, nutrient-dense meals reduce unhealthy snacking and overeating, reduced chronic disease risk, antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties support long-term health, enhanced immunity, essential vitamins and minerals boost the immune system. By incorporating these recipes into your weekly routine, you can enjoy a healthier, more balanced diet, supporting overall health and wellness. So, did you like our 5 healthy recipes to improve your week? I hope so. Incorporating these delicacies into your routine can bring many benefits to your health and well-being. And now, I want to hear from you. Which of these recipes are you going to try first? Leave it here in the comments. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. By subscribing and activating the bell, you won't miss any of our news. We have a lot of amazing content coming, and I guarantee you will love it. Share this video with your friends and family who are also looking for a healthier diet. Let's spread health and well-being together. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next recipe. Goodbye.